Hi, my name is Harpreet. I'm an application specialist here at CAD Micro Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful feature that can be used to select a set of faces and then save that selection for future purposes or uses in design analysis or even during the modeling itself. So what we are going to do is we have a pressure vessel here, and we are going to create a set that allows you to select the internal faces at once. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select all of these internal faces. And then once my internal faces have been selected, I'm going to right click on them, and I'm going to go under Save Selection under my right click menu, and I'm going to click on New Selection Set. As soon as I do so, then under my Feature Manager, I have a Selection Set folder that gets created. Underneath that Selection Set folder, I have different sets of selection sets that will be visible. So if I click on any of them, then my selection set is visible. If I like, I can change the name of this to, let's say, internal faces or internal faces. If I expand this selection set, then underneath here, I have all these different faces as well. If I want, I can also rename these folders or these faces themselves as well. If I like, I can also remove any of these faces. Let's say I do not want this top face to be in my this selection set anymore. What I can do is I can right click on it and say remove from selection set, and then this face will be removed from the selection set. If I would like to add any faces to the selection set, I right click on it, and then I go under Save Selection, and here my internal faces selection set will show up. And if I click on it, then that will get added to my selection set. I hope you will find this video useful in your design initiative. For more information or more videos such as this one, please follow us on social media or go to our website at cadmicro.com. This is Harpreet. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.